Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Mass.
What does the dictionary say?
A body of coherent matter, usually of indefinite shape and often of considerable size.
Math rap.
Mass is how much matter is in an object found. Mass is measured by the gram, ounce, or pound. Here's a matter of gravity for what it's worth. Math is the same no matter on the moon or earth.
Math rap.
You must weigh in on this subject. What are your thoughts on mass? What has more mass, a pound of candy or 453.592 grams of chocolate bars with tiny little sprinkles on them? Science joke. If an object has no mass but occupies space, does it matter? For reference, look up the definition of the word matter. Arrange these 5 objects in order from having the most to least mass. Feather, bus, pickle, you, elephant. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!